want now? What you want now? What you want now? What you want? No. Cut that fool. They wanna act stupid, gun butt that fool. When I cock that tone, nigga, run your damn jaw. So we fuck around and lay you up in your own blood pool, nigga. Hunt you down, nigga, run your ass down. Unleash the house till them niggas will gun your ass down. You frontin' like this was a thing of the past. With tattoos over the scars, a nigga left on your ass. My niggas think lopsided, bust they got cross-sided in the subways. They rob trains running alongside it. See, motherfucker, we don't play for that shit. And if you want your shit back, you had to pay for that shit. You little costume niggas, romper room niggas, get you in the night or early in the afternoon niggas. We taking your whole shit while we pass through. Even the shirt off your back, nigga, run that too.
I catch you backstage, give me the keys to the Escalade. You think you cute, ho? Take off them Gucci shades. I get my dog to you, you dirty. They all 730, rock a ski mask, whether it's June or February. I take your show money, take your drill money.